What's the meaning of annoyance? Annoyance. 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 Annoyance.
Annoyance refers to a feeling of mild to moderate irritation or discomfort caused by someone or something that interrupts our usual routine or causes us frustration. This feeling can often be triggered by small, repetitive actions or behaviors that we find bothersome, such as a constant tapping sound or being repeatedly interrupted during a conversation. The result of annoyance can vary from person to person, but typically includes increased stress levels, decreased productivity, and potentially negative interactions with others if the annoyance is not addressed.